I'm Steven and this is Sean of Big Boys Toy Store. Today we are going to open MOETCH Tiny Wonderland series. Wonder Park series. There are 14 figures in the series, but there's only 12 in one box.
So there's 12 regular. There are 12 regular figures, but it's written that there's 14 grand.
So two are secrets. Chase secrets.
So not sure if we get one, or not sure if there really are chases. But based on the box, it's written that there are 14 kinds, and there's 12 regular ones.
But before that, remember to click like, subscribe, and then the notification bell for more videos. So more entertainment.
Opening now.
So this is the box. This is the box. There are 12 of those things.
Ayan. Pakita mo yun. Yan. So 12 design plus 2 hidden edition.
Okay.
So they are small train, haunted house, spin cup, ice cream station.
Basically, Tiny dressed up as a amusement park.
Sharpshooter, bumper car, duck boat,
attraction,
popcorn bucket, buccaneer, toy soldier, clown, and merry-go-round.
So just like Strong Pig, it has a background, and this time the card is facing backwards, so you don't know what's inside the mystery bag. I'm not gonna open this thing anymore. I'm just gonna open this mystery bag for you.
Hindi ba nakikita?
Hindi, they're all the same way. First one. First one is merry-go-round. Oh, look at that. Yeah, amazing. She is scared to go on the merry-go-round. There you go. Number 2. This is popcorn bucket.
Naalala mo based on memory or
based on what it looks like?
Yep, popcorn.
Popcorn bucket. Based on identifying the figure. This one is, I think this roller coaster. So it's called Small Train. It's not a roller coaster, it's just a small train. Why is she scared of riding a small train? I don't know.
Because it's small.
Because it's small. Number 4. This is Haunted House. Yeah, we got arms sticking out the box, and this is there. Oh, I think this is Molly, right?
Molly!
Yeah!
Ay, di ba? Molly pala.
So this is Molly?
Mas mataas na.
Oh, okay. These art toys.
So, still no chase?
This is Jack in the Box.
Hindi naman Jack in the Box eh. Clown.
No, this is clown. With a spring on it. Like a bobblehead. It's not a bobblehead, it's just a clown. So far we got 5.
No chase.
So 5 of 12, no chase. This is number 6. Rabbit. This is Sharpshooter. This is holding a rifle and a dead rabbit. Toy.
Emphasis on the dead rabbit.
Toy dead rabbit.
Ano? Toy? Admit it, she's a killer.
So 6 of 12. So far, 0.
Okay.
Number 7 is This is called a spin cup.
Spin.
Spin cup. Kind of like Mad Hatter on teacup, but it's not. Sorry. Okay, this is a teacup. This is her inside of it. There's 2 pieces. They come apart.
Ah, pero she's 3D spins.
No, naman.
No.
So it's like a Mad Hatter on teacup. Teacup. That's now worth $300. The Mad Hatter. No. Cheshire Cat pala yun. Cheshire Cat on a teacup. It's now worth $300. Oh. Okay, so...
Oh, guys.
Okay, so this is the heaviest of all. I'm gonna open.
Heavier.
Oh, this is even heavier. I'm gonna open it first. Dude, this is bumper car. This is cool. See, she's riding a bumper car. So how many left? That's 8. There's 4. There's 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh. Wait, milk tea?
Okay, milk tea. I opened.
This is... Eh, Daya, you opened 8 na eh.
Hindi na, kasi naman last 4 na nga eh. Last 4, who has the cheese from the last 4?
Buccaneer.
Not a cheese. Ice cream shop.
What cheese yan?
Ice cream station. No, this is common.
Ice cream station.
Okay, this is common. Okay, for the last one, we have to bring it out at the same time.
Mine is... Oh, man.
Here it is. This is toy soldier.
And duck boat.
Duck boat. So,
No iced tea again.
no ice tea, no milk tea.
No milk tea and no chase again.
No cheese again. We are not vloggers for today.
Vloggers, why? Ah, okay.
Only vloggers get the cheese. So we get all the 12 that are inside this on the picture.
The regular ones.
All the regulars. No cheese, no special today. Sad life. Okay, thank you for watching our fun boxing for Tiny Wonder Park Edition. I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing of ours. And see you on our next fun boxing video. Remember, we still have a contest going on for Silk or Black Widow. And they cost 7,000 pesos each. You also have LeBron or MJ Pop giveaway. Watch those 2 videos and learn and comment and share and win a prize. That's so easy. Bye-bye.
Bye. Well,